A lot of people don't understand 90% of the game is business.
That's
and if you even look at Jay-Z on a breakdown of the billionaire, congrats, Jay-Z. If you look at it, you only see 75 million makes up for music. I'm a billionaire, but okay, I'm using music, obviously, because that's what we all are fan of first and foremost, right? When you say Jay-Z, you think of the raps, you think of the bars, you think of the lyrics. So getting into the game, okay, yeah, musically, as a producer, I'm averaging 2 to 3 million a year, which is cool. You know what I mean? And I could be content and just, okay, I'm going to be a producer. But as soon as I started rapping, now I just added 500 more thousand to my repertoire. You know what I mean? Now I'm getting more phone calls for shows or for opportunities, like you look at it as an athlete, endorsement deals. Now that they can see Drumma Boy, okay, damn, we didn't know he was turning up the club like that. Damn, we didn't know he was hosting like that. Man, we need to put him on TV, man. We need to put him in movies and other opportunities that have come. So you got to use this music platform to diversify yourself.
I love this clip. Now, I know y'all think I love every clip because I choose all of them myself, but you know, I don't love every clip. Sometimes I'm just trying to prove a point business-wise, so I choose that clip that rocks with it. But right here, I truly do love this clip. The reason being is because I've been talking about this for a very long time. If you're an artist in any capacity, I don't care if it's music, film, whatever, you absolutely need to watch this video. You need to watch the entire video because there is a mind state shift that needs to happen in creative entrepreneurs right now. And I think a lot of y'all are still stuck in this old time mentality, and that's why ain't nothing really working out for you. So if you are an artist or an entrepreneur, please, I implore you, watch this entire video because I'm going to give you exactly what you need to do in order to diversify yourself, like Drumma Boy was saying right here. But before I do that, you need to hit like, share, comment, follow, subscribe, any sort of engagement you want to give on this video that's positive, and click the links in Instagram up top, click the links in YouTube in the box. Let's go.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here we got Gucci Mane's producer, Drumma Boy, talking about diversifying yourself. Jay-Z is a billionaire, and as you heard Drumma Boy say, 75% of his money comes from music. That's 7.5%. So for those y'all don't know math, that means 92.5% of his wealth is coming from things outside of music. When we think of Jay-Z, we think of the rapper, but he is much more of an entrepreneur than he is a rapper. Kanye West is much more of an entrepreneur than he is a rapper. I think almost Drake at this point is probably much more of an entrepreneur than he is a rapper. Travis Scott, we can go down the list. Music is the best marketing platform out. And the reason being is because you can put your voice, your words, or if it's a video or visual, your face consistently tied to something that's melodic, that has a great beat, and that people are going to listen to over and over and over again, which makes them start falling in love with you. They get attuned to your voice, to your style, and they want to support you. Think about if we could listen to Martin Luther King's speech, I Have a Dream, in the 80s and 90s, and we could have listened to it hundreds or thousands of times over and over on some elite headphones because we had Spotify at that time. Or even when he was alive during the 60s, you know, Martin Luther King's one of the most influential Americans ever. How big would his impact have been if he would have had Spotify to be able to distribute his message all over the world? And that's how you got to look at your music career or your entrepreneurial endeavor. Whatever content you make, whatever art you make, gives you an opportunity to distribute it to as many ears as you want for as long as you want until the end of time. You need to use that to put yourself in a position to make residual income. Now, for those of you that don't make music, for those of you that are entrepreneurs in other endeavors, you can do this the exact same way. And instead of you making songs or using music as your platform to diversify your portfolio, you need to be using social media content to diversify your portfolio. A lot of people be coming in my comments talking dumb shit because they don't understand the game, saying, if you're doing so good in music, then why are you on YouTube? What the fuck are you talking about? What's the correlation in that? Why would I not do both? Why would I not get plaques from my music and get paid from YouTube and get paid from TubeBuddy affiliate links and get paid from my course sales and get paid from an ebook and get paid when I go speak places? Why would I not try to get every bag that I can off of things that I naturally want to do? Why do y'all have this mentality that you only need one income stream at a time? I'll tell you why. Because you're a fucking slave and you've been taught to be a fucking slave, and slaves get told what to do, and if you do anything outside of what you're trained to do, then something's wrong. That's fucking stupid, man. It's fucking dumb. It's 2021. Whenever y'all watch this video, 2081. It's fucking stupid. It's never been easier for you to diversify your income, so why aren't you doing it? Drumma Boy is a producer. You hear what he said? He said he started rapping to add more money into there. He started showing his face more, making content. Now he's in TV shows. Now he's in movies. More bags, more residual income. Because you know what's gonna happen? We're all gonna get old. One day, we're all gonna get fucking old. And we ain't gonna be able to move and make content and do all this shit that we can do right now. But you still can collect that money because it don't take no energy to collect direct deposits. Why aren't you creating more direct deposits? Why don't you want to change your family's life? Why don't you want to leave that piece of shit job? Why do you talk shit on the internet? What more needs to happen? How many videos do you need to watch? How many classes need to be offered? For all y'all that hit me up in my DMs and write comments and send emails and say you need help, what the fuck do you need help with? All the information's here, man. Get on the goddamn camera and talk about what you want to talk about and get paid for it. It doesn't get more fucking simple than that. I'm out the pond. Y'all stay true.
Rotate, 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 rotate.
Group82University.com.